Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious gummy bears using Jello. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 3-ounce box of your favorite flavored Jello and 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. For liquids, measure out 1/3 cup of cold water and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. These basic components are all you need to start creating your own chewy treats right in your kitchen. It's a fun and easy process. Now let's get mixing. In a small saucepan, combine your flavored Jello, the unflavored gelatin, and the cold water. Whisk these ingredients together continuously over low heat. It's important to keep stirring until everything is completely dissolved and you have a smooth liquid. Finally, stir in the 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. This step ensures your gummy mixture is perfectly blended and ready for the next stage of transformation. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill those fun gummy bear molds. Carefully pour the warm liquid into each cavity. For smaller, more intricate molds, a dropper or a syringe can be incredibly helpful for precise filling, preventing any spills. Once all your molds are filled, place them in the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This cooling time is crucial for the gummies to firm up perfectly. And just like that, your homemade gummy bears are ready. Gently pop them out of their molds. They should be firm and delightfully chewy. If you like a little extra sweetness, you can toss them in a small amount of granulated sugar for a classic sugary coating. Store your delicious creations in an airtight container at room temperature, and they will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your easy-to-make, flavorful gummy treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.